To use one-handed mode on the Motorola Edge 50 Neo, first we'll need to open our settings. Then scroll down to the gestures, and right here we need to make sure that in system navigation we have gestures and navigation selected. Then we can go back to the gestures tab. Right here, go for one-handed mode. Now you'll be able to enable or disable it. There's also two options regarding it. Swipe down to pull screen into the reach. That means it will basically scroll down your entire screen when you try to call out your notification bar or control panel. Or you can just show notifications. And I'm going to show you both of the options in a second, but first let me also cover one-handed mode shortcut. You can use it even without gesture navigations. You can go for 3 buttons. Then when it's activated, you will see an icon floating around your screen. Click on it and it will instantly pull down your notifications bar. Or if you go for pull screen into the reach, it will, as I said, scroll down your entire screen. Now let me show you how to use the one-handed mode without that accessibility icon. So we need to go back anywhere on the phone. In some of the apps or settings it won't work, as you can't just pull it into the reach there. So on the home screen it works the best. To call out our notification bar, we can swipe right here and it instantly opens our notification bar. When we go for show pull screen into the reach, actually, okay, so it only works for notifications. I thought that it works with the pulling of your screen, but it seems it doesn't. So you can only call out your notifications like that in one-handed mode. You don't need to pull all the way there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.